Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, these videos are videos that I have posted on TikTok, just giving my opinion on Uthando Nestembu. So please let me know if my opinion is wrong. Am I seeing things wrong? Am I choosing sides or what? Yeah, but this is what happened on Uthando Nestembu, and I thought I should just break it down and share it with you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I get when my peers were going to school, Gita, hi, hey, Nzoshata, hey, as long as get a metric, Kitola, but nonetheless, Umacele, guys, assistant Kumacele, sorry for not doing one video to accommodate everything that happened. Umacele then decided to report to Umseleku Uguti, yena she's having problems with being the caretaker or the aftercare program. And because yena she does not necessarily want to be the aftercare program that is not appreciated or that must come to an end. I'm like, girl, please. I get about how guys, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but because to me it would mean Uguti, if I get married into a polygamy setup, I'm saying all the wives that are going to bear children for my husband, those children are my children. Even if the wives come with children in that marriage, those children are going to be my children because now, right? So in my small mind, I thought Uguti Umacele would be a greater person and bigger person in this instance and not complain about such. And the reason why I'm saying in my small mind is because she was the happiest when Umakwela entered. Meaning Uguti, I'm happy that you are here, uzokhulisa umuzi kamseleko. So mawusofuna ukuthi ubongwe. And now, I'm sorry to insert this, ne? Being a Christian, ufuna ukuthi umuntu akubonge. Akusho ukuthi sobonga uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uzosinika ama blessings. Umuntu base yakubongile kufana nokuthi manje uNkulunkulu akasidingi ukuthi to get. But ke I loved uMangwabe. Guys, Mangwabe responded so nicely. Athi mina labantwana lengane zami. Mazihleli la, zihlalele logello. Ithi ngisendele email. So meaning ukuthi mazingena ngizoba umama lo odinga ukuthi kube umama, and mina personally as uMangwabe I don't feel ukuthi I need to be thanked for servicing abantwana bakamseleko. Would you get wangena nomayeni bathi mayeni naye wayiphola kahle, and then both of them underlined something that was very profound yokuthi uGirlings uneyimoods namhlanje upinki sasu orange nje robots. So now asazi ukuthi somthola green, somthola red, somthola orange. So because of that, sometimes zip athi sinokuthi sifike lapho aphume, sinokuthi sifike lapho ugela hlala emotweni. So now what does that mean? Guys, I'm worried. Umacele maybe low key she's no longer interested in this whole thing, but now she's happy ukuthi number 5 uyangena because uMangwabe will no longer be number last. Or uMakhumalo will be off her high horses ukuthi aqabanga ukuthi yabona guys uMakhumalo ngimthanda kanjani. But nonetheless, what do you guys think ukuthi why is Umacele being petty right now? And what is your thoughts on the wives' responses? Because at this point, ngithanda uMangwabe, ngithanda uMayeni, like I could literally kiss the two at this point. Also, Umseleku delivering this news, did he see it as necessary to deliver this news to the two wives, or was it necessary for him to reprimand Umacele and say, "Kukabola bantwana laba, uzobanakekela uzobagada abantwana bakho laba," and that's on finish and that's on period. Iphelele lapho ingayibu labanye abafazi, because we know ukuthi it's going to create unnecessary drama, unnecessary chaos, unnecessary zindaba. When ibona kanjani?